Ball. One down. Low one.
Here we have Rishabh and Bhaskar. Both of them are cousins.
एक ही सिंगल है.
Bhaskar leading with 3.
Low three. Low. Low four. Four low.
प्रणय आ गया. मैंने श्रीकर को भी बुला लिया. बस माइक लेके आ जाओ.
Five low.
जैसे मैं डीआई पे करेंगे.
Low ball.
మీరు వెళ్తాను కదా మన పికిల్ బాల్ ఈవెంట్కి అదే బెంగళూరులో. ఏమైనా బ్రాడ్కాస్టింగ్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే అడగండి, చూడండి మీకు ఏమైనా కాంటాక్ట్స్ ఉంటే. ఐపీఎల్ అది ఇండియన్ ప్రీమియర్ పికిల్ బాల్ కదా,
అది నార్మల్ నేషనల్
ఇండియన్ పికిల్ బాల్.
Bhaskar leading 5-0. Coincidentally, Rishabh and Bhaskar are related.
मेरे को टॉप है ना अन्य मैचेस
సర్వైవింగ్.
Audience asking me if 7-0 is a victory, but maybe that is in ping pong or table tennis, but not in pickleball.
అంటే ఒకసారి అయిపోయింది అనుకో 4 దాన్ని ఓకే ఓకే ఆడతాం. వి గివ్ ఛాన్సెస్ టు అదర్.
He's taking the revenge in this match for the previous match. He lost to Chris Mazin, and I think he's come here to redeem the reputation of
వెరీ వెరీ
Pickleball.
లాంగ్ టైం. ఎట్లుంది లీగ్? హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
ఇంత పెద్ద లెజెండ్ అని నేను పికిల్ బాల్ లో రీసెంట్ గా తెలిసింది.
ఆడిందే 1 year నుంచి.
నేనే రాబోతున్నా ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ స్టూడెంట్
చేసే ఆడదాం.
స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను ఇంకా
That's a great passing cross court passing shot.
ఎలా అయింది? హ్యావింగ్ ఫన్.
అదే మీరు ఇంకొంచెం ఫ్రీ అయితే వస్తాము అని అందరం.
Bhaskar drives and passing shots. Never ending love story.
టూ ఎగ్జాస్టింగ్.
As I say, one more.
డిసెంబర్ అయితే కామ్ అయిపోతుంది.
4 and 1 of the backhand.
మీ అందరికి కూడా బ్రేక్ వస్తుంది.
డన్.
ఐ గెస్ చెప్పు వాళ్ళకి.
Bhaskar is not giving a single chance to
ఇప్పుడు
Rishabh.
నేను మాట్లాడినా అనుకుంటా నాకు
He
తెలిసి.
comes front, he's passing him seamlessly.
Halfway through, 8-0.
They're expecting that.
Looking at how the game is going, something close to 5 would be plot.
భార్గవ ఏంది
కానీ మీ గేమ్ వాడు చిన్నోడు అయితే సర్ప్రైజ్ ఉండే మీతో కూడా బాగా
అంతసేపు థింకింగ్ నాట్ ఈజీ ఏజ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కష్టమైపోతుంది. దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు
Audience here are-
సెలెక్షన్.
The audience here are reminding us that this time there is no 13 cuts for Bhaskar. It looks very much. It's completely one-sided as of now, even after the timeout. It's 10-0. Rishabh back on serve.
Oh, that's a beautiful reach by Rishabh. Change of serve. Just missing by a few. It's called in. Might be a small referee error.
They need the space and they have to stand and comment for comment. DJ set up this.
All right. Seems like there's a performance after this match. Some entertainment for people on the court. I mean, off the court.
Back on serve. Do you think he'll complete in this?
I mean,
don't
5
think so.
points. Bhaskar looks slightly relaxed actually.
And I think Rishabh is
Setting
having
up
some momentum.
a good lead. Rishabh is fighting back hard. But Bhaskar looks explosive.
అక్కడ చేద్దాం లైటింగ్ కూడా ఉంది కదా.
मेरा फोन साइलेंट में था, सॉरी मैं देखा नहीं, मैं बाहर था.
भाई यूट्यूब में देख के कॉल कर रहे क्या बात कर रहे हो बोल के लगा के चले गए सब लोग.
Drive, passing shot.
I am at the Anvita
that's a
Hyderabad
good
Pickleball League
shot.
2025 and I have with me the captain of the
Rishabh.
Mavericks, Shrikar. It's a very special day for you.
But then a good return from Bhaskar as well. Oh, Rishabh is fighting back hard.
Returning
Like a
back
raptor.
Rishabh returning back the passing shot favor.
Ha. A quick timeout requested by Raptors on a winning shot.
I think Shantanu will be very relaxed in this time out. He has not got. I think he looks very relaxed.
Shantanu looks relaxed. Maybe because he believes in Bhaskar a lot.
Scoreboard says the scoreboard believes him.
Uh,
Scoreboard makes him believe.
but Rishabh is fighting back hard. Bhaskar looks to be a dominant player on paper, but this is pickleball and anything can happen.
Shantanu is telling Bhaskar to finish the match to keep the momentum because a momentum change can result in different outcome. And I think Bhaskar knows about the momentum. Looking at the way he played last 2 matches, he's the
And
best one to understand the momentum at this point.
And definitely Shantanu doesn't want to take any risks. It's a much needed win because women's doubles is slightly dicey because Niharika is already an established player. Already has all 3 wins to her name. So Raptors look dominant in women's singles especially. A beautiful passing shot, but unfair to Rishabh because the ball contacted the net. That very deflection is always disturbing because you are prepared for some other shot and suddenly the trajectory of the ball changes.
Bhaskar at 13.
Bhaskar is his favorite point, 13.
Bhaskar on 14. Audience are happy to
14.
notice Bhaskar
No.
crossing 13th point.
No,
Breaks
no
the
breaks on
13
13. Audience hooting for our last commentary on the 13. Satya, do you think the cursor shifted to 14 by any chance?
I don't think so because Rishabh is way behind in the points. So if it's a close encounter, I would have
Had
agreed to you.
Make a comeback on the match point basically when you're 11 points down.
That would be a very heroic performance.
Something. The change of serve match point for Kirti Warriors.
14-4. Ball out.
Another break. 4-14. Bhaskar leading by 10 points. Oh. That looked like a good passing shot from side view. One more break.
4-14.
Serving for the match. Oh. This fourth break.
5-14.
In some time in 14. But also, the Raptors are not getting any points as well.
As
Passing
you
shot.
say, the commentator curse strikes. Raptors 6-14, trailing by 8. Change of serves. This might be the last point.
I thought the same last 3 points, but let's see.
14-6. 14. Point. 6-14.
Oh! Some gymnastics by Rishabh.
2 brilliant picks by Rishabh.
2 brilliant picks.
Bhaskar was too good.
Looked more like a tennis clay court where you do some skids. 2 skids. Looks like he almost did a split.
Very good return.
Rishabh with his never give up attitude. Fighting hard.
Bhaskar does take a lot of time to complete the matches. Why do you think so?
Sometimes it happens with a lot of players that they cool down a bit after they're in good amount of lead, thinking one good point and I can finish. So it happens. I mean, it's nothing wrong.
Because at this point you can see he is slicing a lot more than driving.
Finally,
Match
match
over.
is done. Here is match 3 singles for you guys. Bhaskar with a comfortable win.
It's a leaderboard with 2-1.
2-1. Women's singles coming up after a short break.